Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Alright, I guess this is the beginning of the live stream. My ears. Okay, hold on. My apologies. There's flickering on the top of the screen. What do we search for? X server, I think. Yeah. This happened before. I was doing a video and it was flickering. I forgot what the setting. I think I fixed it. I don't know what the setting was. Advanced. So I know one of those was this checkbox here. Jason, my 10. Why are you here, Jason, my 10? You should be sleeping. You literally join every single live stream. Do you not have anything better to do? Yeah, there was this pipeline checkbox here which improved it, but there's still well, it's gone now, is it? I think it only happens when there's motion on screen. Oh no, it's still there. I forgot, mate. X server flickering on screen. Oh, and I should say when recording with OBS. I should also say Linux Mint. Okay, let's try this one. So I hope we can solve this. It's just annoying, isn't it? No, I'm not using a different program. OBS is fine. It's an NVIDIA issue. Hold on. No, wrong one. ChatGPT. Let's not waste any time here. Nah. Let's copy this. See what it has to say. Okay. I have to update the X server settings. I forgot which one. Oh, I remember touching this file before. Hold on, where do we go? Let's do this here. What do we do? Cat. I think I touched this file before. Okay, maybe not. I don't recognize seeing these contents now. So refresh rate. Could it be an issue with the refresh rate? Hold on. So this is set to 100. If I set this to 60 Hz, do you think it'll disappear? Oh, my screen is black now. So we have to remember to change it back when we play Minecraft. Oh yeah, it looks like it's gone now. Okay. Well, thanks, ChatGPT, I guess. You just drop by to say hi, and then you usually leave. Yeah, I know. You never stick around. Fair enough, mate. Yeah, I swear, you've probably done this 100 times now. So you've visited 100 live streams and you say, what's up? And then you just magically disappear. But sometimes you come back and you say, how's the games going? So it's quite legendary. So I hope you're doing well. So I think I've never seen you no, I have seen you in game once. We actually fought. Sometimes when I close my eyes, I can't see. Okay. We actually fought in Hunger Games at one point. I'm sure we did. Anyway, stop waste. Okay, hold on. I need to turn off. Close this. Yeah, I really want to quit. Also close this. Okay. Now the annoying box in the top corner is gone. What are we doing today? Well, I'm glad you asked. Firstly, so if you recall in the last ChatMate coding live stream, what we are trying to do, hold on, let me just spin this up. I'll remind you. I am not very prepared here. I got caught off guard by the start of the stream. Okay, we are doing some work here regarding to WebSockets. Is this going to just work, or do we need to, let's just be safe and restart it completely? Yeah, WebSocket. What we wanted to do was show the chat on the ChatMate website live. Right? And we got it working that it makes an initial request when you load the page. That's all working fine. But what doesn't work yet is the WebSocket. It has some issues upstairs. And the goal is to fix these issues upstairs and then actually ship the feature to the live ChatMate website. Sounds good? I think it does. Let's start the local server here. I remember there was another thing we did. To test we don't need to test emojis. We know they work fine. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's just refresh this. Okay. So, yeah, hold on. There's some messages missing. Oh, there's Jason My 10's messages. Alright, yeah, so clicking the refresh button here worked just fine. but hold on, I think if we bring this to the other, so no, not this screen, the other. Yeah. If we say test, I think this will show up correct. Oh, okay, no, it doesn't work at all. Okay, I think I'm misremembering what the issue was then. However, I do believe I have solved it not long after we stopped the stream. What is it? Chat history. It's the component we created in the last stream. I do believe I have solved the problem. So, yeah, what happens is that as soon as a message from the WebSocket is received, it's just replacing the entire chat history with the new item, and everything before is discarded. That is obviously not what we want. But, where was this? So here, when we are receiving the message, we will then take the existing chat items and append to it the new chat item, message.data.data. Sounds good to me, right? And then we replace the state with that new array that we've created. So at first glance, everything looks fine. However, oh my god, stop with the pop-up box. Still doing pop-up boxes. Once you realize this chat here that we have highlighted is actually a constant, this never changes in the scope of this function we are in right now, because we are only subscribing to the onMessage event once when the component is first rendering. And so this chat object will always be either an empty array or the original list of chat items, which I think that's what we had last time actually. It was printing like it was printing the previous 9 items and then always adding the 10th, replacing the 10th one with the most recently received WebSocket item. And I think what the solution here is, let's see, do I remember what I was thinking? I think we have to use a ref instead of referencing this constant, yeah? What's the syntax? Chat ref. So use ref, and then it probably has the same type as this. It's just public array of public chat item. And then we initialize this, I'm guessing. I can't read this type definition at all. They need colors in here. I mean, this is just disgusting. I don't know, maybe we don't have to initialize it, but I'll still do it anyway. I'm a good guy. Oh, no. That's not what we do. Right, and so this gets called every time we are rendering. And in that case, we'll always replace the referenced value with the current chat list. And so here, instead of referencing that variable, we'll use the ref.current. Is it nullable? Yes, it is, but we know it's never null. Okay, hold on. Oh, yeah. We know it's never nullable because we are setting it right here. I think that's reasonable. Let's try it out. So just gonna refresh this page here. Okay. Let's try ABC. So it should shift everything up by 1. Oh no, that's right. It shouldn't shift up. It should keep the existing chat history. And I think that's exactly what it's doing. Test 1, 2, 3 should just be appended to the list. Alright, I think that's it. Done and dusted. That was easy. It doesn't look nice. I'm sure there's a more common way to solve this, but I don't know what that is. I have no idea. Yeah, not sure. I guess we don't really need this. We could always keep the chat stored in the ref, and then to force a re-render when this onMessage event is received, we could increment a counter or something, but don't really care that much. So let's stage that before we forget. And there was one more issue I found. Let's see if we can trigger this. How was this? I think if I go back to the page, like there was an error message in regards to the WebSocket. I don't remember exactly what happened. So probably we can fix it by doing like automatic reconnection, is my guess. So I'm not sure how this worked, to be honest. If I refresh? No. So, what is this? Oh, it's just always YouTube errors, dude. They're always polluting the console. Okay. No, I think everything is fine. Not sure what that error was I was seeing. So it was definitely, it was saying something like it's already connecting or something. So I'm guessing, where are we actually connecting? Oh wait, does it connect automatically? Hold on. No way to apply back pressure. No massage for you, sir. Huh. Yeah, so that you don't call the method to open it, it just always opens automatically. I mean, it seems reasonable, but just in case, I also want to put this somewhere else. So we have this login context. So this is very inappropriately named login context, when in reality it's actually the context of absolutely everything. I'm wondering if we should add the WebSocket in here, because we'll be using it in other places of ChatMate at some point. I think we'll do that. And then get rid of these for now. I'll leave that here as just as a reminder that we want to do the reconnection. I think we just create a const. Let's do it up here. So import this. I'll follow the existing naming conventions. Okay, and then we'll rename this. Is it one word or two words? WebSocket. I think I prefer this style. What do they use? Nah, it should be two words, but I don't care. I like this one more. Looks better in my eyes. It's all about looks, not personality. There you go. Okay, that should work the same as before. Yeah. The one thing, so it's subscribing multiple times, which I'm kind of surprised that's even allowed. Hold on, let's verify that. Save this first. Hey, I saw Killing's message. Hey, Killing. Yeah, the WebSocket is fixed now. We had the issue last time where the list wasn't refreshing properly when a WebSocket message was received. And it looks like it's working now, which is excellent news. However, I'm still a bit concerned that it's possibly trying to connect multiple times. I don't actually know what happens in that case. Like, is it going to receive the same message multiple times or what? Like, Samito D did something to a hacker multiple times? Stop. Samito D is already distracting me. Okay, so let's see when this is called. I think this is called when we render the component here. Okay. So it is sending it multiple times. Fascinating. So I almost suspect use effect. We have to return something. So when you, whatever function you return in use effect will be called when the component cleans up. I've never actually used it for anything. Hold on, let's check the docs. No, I'm not gonna read the new documentation. Cleaning up in effect, that's what we want to do. So it runs before the component is removed from the UI to prevent memory leaks. Additionally, if a component renders multiple times, the previous effect is cleaned up before executing the next effect. So I think that means if the streamer changes, this will also get called, which is excellent. It's exactly what we want. So we'll create a new client message for unsubscribing here. So unsubscribe, and everything else should be the same, I do believe. It's complaining about duplicate identifiers here. Unsubscribe message. Okay. I think that'll work now. Let's verify it. Yes, thank you, breakpoint. This one. So first, let's verify it fires when we change the tab. Okay, yep, it does. Yep, it's working. Now let's verify. When I change the streamer to B, it's also firing. Excellent. Also, since we're here, what the hell is this message? Since we're here, let's also verify it is subscribing to the new one. Let's check what the message is. Excuse me. Let's check what the... I'm trying... It's doing the thing where it's just freezing my dev tools. I don't know why it does that. It's a new issue. It's only happened for a few weeks. I think we should go to Firefox. It doesn't happen on Firefox. Yeah, so it's subscribing to the streamer B is streamer chat. Perfect. And then when we change back to Rebel Guy, so it's unsubscribing from B and it's subscribing to Rebel Guy. Okay, perfect. Oh, you use Firefox killing? No? There's a black bar flashing. Oh, I didn't see. It's back, mate. We tried to fix it at the beginning. I do apologize. Yeah, I don't know why it's happening. I suspect there's an issue with the X server settings, but I just don't know. Hold on, let's get... Oh, let's hold him accountable here. So he was saying ensure the refresh rate is set correctly. Oh, hold on. Should we do this? So where does this go? So this goes into section device, identifier device 0. I don't have device, I think. Monitor. Oh, here. Okay, okay. Yeah, let's try. Oh, wait. Force full composition pipeline. That's the one we see in the advanced settings here. That's this one. It's already checked. Okay, look. I'll just copy and paste it blindly and hope it doesn't actually trigger a virus on here. See what happens. So I think we need nano. It's unwritable. Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay. Now it's writable. So section device. Yeah, this one. What? What was that? Oh, okay. Fair enough. It was just overflow, I guess. So it looks like that's fine. Yes. Yes. Alright. Is it still happening? I think it also happens when there's a video playing. Use sudo. Wait. Oh, I didn't wait. Is ChatGPT trolling me? So yeah, if it happens again, tell me and I'll try something else. I'll keep harassing ChatGPT until it tells me the truth. Did it write? Yeah, it wrote. I mean, it didn't say that. It didn't write. Let's check. Yeah. These are the 2 lines I added. So it's definitely here. I think it's all fine. Yeah, let's stage this as well. Login context. And also, this is just for dev purposes, because sooner or later we'll need it. I just want to subscribe to some like connect, error, and disconnect events here. Print something to the console. So we want on open. Okay, it's very unhappy about this. Can't invoke an object that's possibly null. Okay, how can it possibly be null? Oh, hold on, we set this as a function like this. Okay. We'll do the same for on close and on error. So disconnected, and I'm guessing it can give us a reason. What's event? Which is printed, you know. On open also has an event parameter. Yeah, just print it all. Can never log too much. And then, okay, this is so stupid. Okay. Oh, we'll do console.error. Okay. So for example, if I disconnect my internet. Oh, it's printing stuff now. Okay, hold on. Let's see if it works. Network offline. How do we know it worked? Shouldn't the connection be lost now? Not sure, to be honest. Oh, I know what we can do. Let's go here and then back. No, that's not going to work. Hold up. Okay. I don't know how to test it. No, now it's completely broken. Okay, okay. Yeah, whatever. Now, we've got something printing at least. So in the case of failure, we'll see something. Alright. I think that's all we want to do here. Then the next thing to consider is, do we want a longer chat history than just 10 items? Probably. Let's update that here. So this is 10 right now. Let's say, I don't know, 30. Now the problem is, the chat will grow towards the bottom, but the default scroll position is the top of the page, right? And so instead of the whole page scrolling, what we really want... Oh, you know what? I should actually clarify this filter. We want to get the last 30 items within the last, say, 1 hour, okay? So it doesn't get... this is all from the previous live stream. We don't want those. So let's quickly do this before I forget. We have a nice helper function here called add time. And so we just say date now. We want 1 hour from now. And we convert that into the timestamp. Is that reasonable? Not at all. Get chat timestamp. There you go. Just use that. So now this should... Oh, bad request. Oh, it's not happy. Okay. No, it doesn't like that. Stop. Stop. How do we stop it? Just set this to 0. Okay. Why did it not like that? Oh, so the URL changes constantly. It has to be a constant URL. Okay, okay. So every time the URL changes, which happens every time the component gets re-rendered, it'll actually make the new request instead of just making it once. So we have to use probably another ref. I think there's no other way around it. Yeah. Get chat timestamp. I think we don't even need to specify the time. Yeah, and the default value for the ref is just this. And it will get reset every time the component gets reinitialized, essentially. So why is it thinking... Oh, yeah, this should be current. I think now it'll just do this once. Let's verify. Value must be between 0 and this big number. What did we give it? All. That's a big number. Huh? I beg your pardon? Okay, so we did give it a larger number. What is this number? That's not the timestamp. Add time, new date, hours 1. Get time. Huh? Oh, this is the current timestamp. Okay. So why doesn't this like the number? I think there might be a bug on the controller. So I added validation ages ago. So this is saying that the since value, if defined, must be between 0 and the current timestamp. Oh, we have to give it some leeway here. So if there's a mismatch between the client and server time, which I don't know, should it happen? I don't know, maybe. Let's see if that fixes it. Let's wait for that to rebuild. So I can see, hold on, how different is this value though? No, this is way different. Oh, I understand, because I'm stupid. Let's undo this quickly. Because I have to do -1. We want to get 1 hour in the past, not in the future. Okay, everything is working as intended. Still not happy? Oh, it's still larger. Hold on. This didn't work? Oh, hold on. I think we have to refresh the whole page, maybe. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. All good. Fix that. And now we do the styling. I think we can simulate this by zooming in. There you go. So what we want, so the scroll window should just be this section here, and everything on the top should stay on the top, essentially. So I don't know how we get this to work, but I know a way of how we can find out. And that is called trial and error. So let's see. First thing to try, overflow Y, scroll. Okay, immediately we are hit with this ugly piece of UI. Fantastic. So we have to say max height is 100%. Is that right? No. So the parent's max height, this one here, this one has to be 100%. And that might already force the children to scroll. Yeah, let's try that. Do we have access to that? So chat history is rendered. Oh yeah, we have access to it. So right here. Oh wait, that's not the whole page. No. This is the whole page. So if we say max height 100%, just try that. Hey! Oh no, same. Nothing changed. Except the scroll bar of the inner element disappeared now. Okay. It's not quite what we wanted. So which one did I change? So this is... like the whole website has to be redesigned anyway. So we don't have to care too much about how this is going to work. But this highlighted element here is like a generic panel. That's why it has specific properties like this. And this is the concrete panel we're on, like this very panel, not just any panel. So I'm surprised. Oh wait, I said height? I thought I said max height. Max height. Still no change. Overflow Y. Let's see what they've got. Clip. Oh, we might have to use flex boxes. So this is not doing anything. And the element we want to scroll is this one here. Yeah, this just doesn't want to scroll. I think even if I disable scrolling here, the child still doesn't want to scroll. Okay. Is it time for ChatGPT? You know, using ChatGPT is kind of means you are defeated, right? It's an acknowledgement of defeat. So I want to try one more thing. If we set this to display flex, everything shifts for some reason. I don't know why it does that, but okay. Literally don't understand. What the heck? Why is the scroll bar gone? Oh, you know what? Screw it. How to make a child element scroll while keeping the parent at 100% height. Oh, okay, I was on the right track. So just set it to height, not max height. But why is it still higher than 100%? That's what I don't understand. So it doesn't seem like it's working. Okay, just keep looking. Huh? Flex 1. Okay, okay, we'll try. Yeah, didn't think anything would happen. Parent-child content. Yeah, I'm not sure I understand. Unless the parent's parent needs to do something as well. Well, this has a max height. Yeah, we definitely need this. So setting the height to 100% here should work. Why is the parent still showing a scroll bar? Maybe we need box sizing. Probably not. Check the child content size. Is it because we have nested children here? Hold on. Okay, I'll try this one here. Box sizing. Yeah, did nothing. If the child content exceeds the size of the parent and doesn't fit inside the child, the parent might still show a scroll bar. Ensure the child has the right properties. Well, we have ensured. I mean, that's literally what we've got here. I mean, this is saying overflow Y. Overflow Y. Same thing. God, I hate CSS sometimes. So unintuitive. So do we have to limit this as well? So I'm sure if we clamp this, let's just try to setting it to like 500 pixels or something. No, maybe it's too much. Right, you used to be able to easily change this value. Okay, we'll scroll. Dude, nothing is changing. 100 pixels. It just doesn't care. Oh, the child is overflowing still. What? The child is just overflowing, even with the overflow Y property set. Unless this has to be a flex as well. Oh! Ah, there it is. Okay. So I think we might not need this height here. Oh, yeah, we definitely need that one. Hold on, if I set this to... No, that doesn't make sense. So what should be a flex box? The top element is a flex box. Oh, hold on. This is all gone? Oh, we're way too high. So we have to go down. So this should be a flex box. So remove this. I don't know what's happening now. Hold on, let's just refresh the page. Okay. Start from scratch. So I think this has to be a flex box. And then flex direction column. Why is it shifted down? I just don't understand. Okay. And I think if we say flex shrink. No? So I feel like I'm close. Nothing happening here. No, this just doesn't like being shrunk, this list. So whatever we do, it's got issues upstairs. Wait, did we have it before? No, I forgot. Oh my god. It's just too convoluted. What a disaster. I just want to make it scroll. I want to add a simple scroll bar. Okay, let's also try this. Flex direction column. Okay. Does this also shift? No, this doesn't shift up and down like the other one. Still nothing. I don't know. We have to set height 100 on something still. Or maybe this one. Maybe max height. Nothing works. 50 pixels. No. So we had something working. I might have to go back in the stream to figure out why it was partially working before. So we had a scroll bar. And then I refreshed the page because I was confused what I actually changed. So the purple box is where it's indicating there's overflow happening. So I thought flex shrink deals with that. I genuinely thought so. What did these ones say? Height auto. Maybe that? Do we need height auto? No. Oh, maybe we just don't care. Oh, I have an idea. Oh, I have an idea. Shut up. So they figured it out. Well, if we zoom in here, can we, no, in here, can we force a scroll bar? There you go. So how did they do it? Let's see if we can learn something. Oh my god, it's changing constantly. It's probably too complicated. How do we see the properties? They use flex spaces. Yeah, look, they're also fans of the display flex. So we're on the right track. So how do they get... Oh, this is overflow scroll. So the parent... Oh, but they use position absolute. That's not what we want. That makes no sense. parent-child content. So we're not setting content. We're not setting a scroll bar on the content itself. So I think all these elements are the content themselves. This is where we are setting scroll. Okay, no, we did that. Yeah. Might have to come back to this later. So I'm getting a bit annoyed by this, to be honest. So I hate CSS. Oh, okay, let's also try one more thing. So like I said, I got it kind of working before. Hopefully we can find this. Okay, just playing around with it. Oh, here maybe? Yeah, here. So this is kind of working. Can we get this in higher quality? Okay. So this says height limited. Which element is this one that's selected? Oh, okay, so it's the container that has the tab menu and the actual content. Oh, I forgot I had this open. Hold on. Oh, that's right. I have to just switch tabs here. So this one here, we limited the height. Okay. So what if we say 100%? Nothing happens. Why does nothing happen? 50% nothing happens. Do we have to calculate the height? I don't want to calculate the required height. You know? Alternatively, what we can do is just set a limit. If you hear the dog barking, I do apologize. It's not my dog. I don't have a dog. Okay, yeah. So if we just set a max height and ignore everything else, then this should be good enough. And we kind of have to auto scroll down. Yeah, let's try that real quick. So undo this. So we'll improve it when doing the whole website upgrade. It's that simple. And this one, we just say max height. And we'll give it, for now, just 200. Okay, refresh. Oh, it's not working. Hey! You serious? Nah, you're joking, mate. We just verified it worked. Oh, it has to be on this element. Nah? What? Does this need display flags? You're joking. Why? I can't believe it, mate. This is so dumb. This literally makes no sense. Like, why can't you limit the goddamn component, huh? So we got nothing weird going on here. This is just a div with a max height. Or do we need to explicitly set the overflow behavior? Okay, maybe. Let's not rage just yet. Overflow Y. Auto. Ah, okay. I thought it would do that automatically. It's literally called auto. Okay. So that's working. And now, the final thing we have to do is scroll down. And every time a new message is received, scroll down again, unless we are not currently scrolled to the very bottom. So like the user is scrolling up, a new message gets added at the bottom. We don't want to force them to scroll down. I think that's pretty much it. So what changes are here? They are not saved yet. Don't know. So how do we scroll? I think it's easy. We just need a reference to the element, which is this one. So we'll give it a ref. I forgot the syntax. I believe list ref. I believe this is the syntax. We initialize it with null. Like this? Okay, it's not complaining. Okay. Is that how it works? No, but we need to hook into this. So once it's received a ref, then we want to scroll. But there's no content initially because we have to fetch it first. So we don't have to care. So it's more like when this happens, we'll extend this hook here. So when the request to get the last few items is complete, we'll update the state. Oh, we can do it much easier actually. Use effect. Whenever the state changes, then we do the scrolling behavior. Okay. So we know list ref. Just do a quick check. So if it's null, if we don't have the ref to that div, oops. Just return otherwise. I think we can, yeah. Scroll. Let's see. What is this behavior? Oh, I'm gonna smoothly scroll. Sure, buddy. Scroll to the bottom. So the top must be the height. Client height. There you go. So this is the amount of pixels, the number of pixels that this element is tall, and so we'll just scroll to the bottom. I think that'll work. And then we'll work out the more complicated logic afterwards. It did something. Okay, it's doing something. It's not enough. Okay, it's breakpoint time once again. Sources. So we're in here. Oh, of course. So the this is the wrong ref. We don't want this ref. Don't think we do. Because the client height is limited by 200 pixels. That's why it's not scrolling all the way to the bottom. Let's just verify this is 200. It's 0 right now. Okay. Gets called again. Yeah, now it's 200. Okay, okay. I think there's another property we can get. No? Can't we get the real height or something? Maybe this one? Oh yeah, this... Oh wait, no. This is just the position of this box on the screen. That's not it. What other rect can we get? Okay, client rects. Let's see. So it just says this one. Can we get the children? That's now it seems kind of yucky to do it. Children. So have no idea what this type is. Let's just cast it into an array. Oops. This must be client height. I can map it. Let's see if that worked. Okay. So we just add them all up. We add up the height of all the children to get the height of the parent. That seems pretty reasonable, but I don't like it at all. Actual height. Do we have a sum function? Is that gonna work? So I trust that this is implemented correctly. Okay. Let's see if this worked. Oh, it worked! Yeah! Now if we add a new message, test123, it should scroll down. Yeah! Okay. So now we need to handle the case. So we don't want to scroll down in this case. Yeah, but it's still scrolling down. So we have to somehow detect if we are currently not scrolled to the very bottom. So I don't know how we would do this. Okay. 18 children. So the actual height is 588 after adding the new element. So the previous height... How do we get the previous height? Not sure. Scroll top. So why are these two numbers so different? I suspect we have to subtract dot height. Do we subtract this? Yeah, I think that's it. So we have to do a little update here. So if we want to scroll to the bottom, we need to set this top value to that. Because that takes into account the actual height of the element. But then how do we detect? So I'm thinking we could take the last element, remove it, and say, okay, the current scroll height, we can find out, given the current scroll height and these elements, if the user is scrolled to the bottom or not. But we don't know for sure only one element has been added. So this is not a good way. So there's scroll event. Where would we listen to the scroll event? Here maybe, on scroll. No. No, there's no scroll event. Yeah, how do we know what the previous chat was? React, use effect, get previous value. Oh, it's still flickering, mate. Oh my god, I hate this so much. Is it because this is... Oh, it's not running. I don't know. Now we have to use ref. Oh wait, we already have this ref. We have a chat ref. Yeah. Is this the previous value? Let's check. No, it's the current value. So there's 18 elements in here, but we also have 18 children. What? What about chat? Oh. Chat is not defined, but it's this one here. Why is it not defined? I don't understand that. So I don't know. So this is firing again. Let's check again all the numbers. So 19 children now. What were you checking before? Chat ref has 19 items and chat is still not. Oh no, and this has 9. Why is everything 19? So I don't know how to get the previous number then. Oh, we update this in the use effect. That's the difference. Okay. You know what? That's DM. You want to play draw my thing? All right, buddy. Yeah, we might play a quick cheeky round of draw my thing at the end. Maybe. Maybe a single one block round, huh? How does that sound? Okay, we'll do a previous chat ref. We'll initialize it to nothing. Okay, so now we have the previous one. We have to make sure we don't forget to update this. We want to update it with just chat. Okay. So where were we? To scroll to the bottom of the current elements, we have to set top to this value. Unless we'll just copy this here. Oh, wait. This is not gonna. We don't need the literal chat items. We need the children. Oh my god, this is getting so stupid now. I don't like this. There must be a better way. I think this would all be solved. How to detect if the user is scrolling. It's still freaking flickering on the screen. What more can we do? What is this? Oh, swap buffers during the vertical retrace. Yeah, what the hell does that mean? I don't know. It's just dumb. Going back to Windows. Like nothing is working properly on this crap. It just never works. So we already changed the display, what's it called? Refresh rate, right? Somewhere. I thought we did. Now I don't see it. Am I crazy? Oh, it's not here. Alright. Well, it looks like it's gone now. Maybe it's only when ChatGPT is talking. Oh, it is an event listener. What? No, it's back! I just saw it. Screw off. Okay. So we do have this. But doesn't tell us very much. Oh my god, what is this? Why is this so hard? I really don't get it. You know what? I think we don't care very much. Let's fix up this height. I'll undo this. Yeah. We'll remove the previous chat ref. We just won't care. Force the user... Do we need this? Yeah. Just force the user to always get scrolled to the bottom. Screw it. Later problem. Okay. And then we'll change this to 600. Oh, why is there 2 scroll bars now? You serious? Oh, I guess that makes sense. That is pretty stupid, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so done with this. I just want it to end. Should we just go to a ridiculously low number? There you go. Problem fixed. Okay. I think we'll leave it here. And look at it another day. So what do we change? We barely did anything. Okay. Let's just say fixed WebSocket. Improved appearance, though that's quite arguable, to be honest. And we'll give it the tag so we remember where this is from. Chat813. Okay, just commit that now. Okay, push. Now, I think it's good enough to release. So this will show up here now. Just make sure we didn't change anything. So create pull request. Let's make sure we didn't change anything we didn't mean to. This is the new component. Why is this commented out? Okay, fair enough. Yep, not quite perfect yet, but look, it's getting there. We got the emojis to render last time. That was a good achievement. Oh, we have to uncomment this. Yeah, of course. So that's going to be interesting. So I actually wanted to change a little bit how these work anyway. Can we mute this? No. Can we... Oh wait, this is an iframe. Okay, we can't do very much with this anyway. Autoplay 0. There you go. That's what I wanted. And then with the Twitch stream, works a bit differently. Autoplay, false. There you go. So these elements will return. We disabled them last time because they were in the way. So now we have the problem. The original problem is back now of having 2 scroll bars. Oh my god. That's just an actual disaster. Should we just leave it like this as one long scroll bar? Is it reasonable? Maybe it is. Maybe there's nothing wrong with it, to be honest. So all that for nothing. So it makes it simpler, because we'll have to change this later anyway, because it doesn't work properly. So let's just remove it then. So we don't care about the height. Just delete everything. Wait, so what did we do today? Well, we fixed the WebSocket, I guess. Anything else? Let's just double check the div. Did we do any other styling changes that we can undo now? No, I don't think so. Anything in this component doesn't matter. Just in here. Okay, no, it's fine. I think after just double checking everything looks fine, we'll just push it. Okay. Now I was thinking, should we also show the timestamp? So how is it shown on YouTube? So there's no timestamp by default. We can toggle it. Something to consider. So we could do it fairly easily. Like, we have the information. But I don't know if we want to show it by default. So let's leave it for now. So this is how it looks in Minecraft. We don't have timestamps in Minecraft. It's also for later. So I don't want to make too many updates to the Minecraft mod before figuring out how to migrate to the newest Minecraft version. It's gonna be the next big thing, I think. So I have no idea how to do it though. Anything else? That's it. Let's push that. So undid. Undid scrolling. Yeah, did we confirm we actually undid that? Uncommented embedded stream. Yeah, that's how it was before. Okay. Stage everything and off you go. The reason, in case you are wondering, the reason we are tagging it with that code, every commit is tagged by a code, is so we can go into the Git history here, and so you can see this is all hyperlinked now. So if I click on this, so it brings me to the Jira ticket. This is how I manage ChatMate essentially. So everything links back to a ticket, and we can see where does it come from. I'll show you all the tickets that are yet to be done. So there's like 100 or something that are not started yet. And these are all the ones I thought we could do during the live stream, one day or another. So they are fairly simple and possibly educational. Just like the CSS was educational, was it not? Okay. So now we are ready to merge this. Merge. Yeah. Delete. Okay. So we have to wait a little bit now for the tests to pass, which I haven't actually checked locally, but in the meantime, let's go onto the so we just merged into develop, which is the sandbox environment, but we actually want this on the production website. So we go to the master branch. So we have to fetch. How do we fetch develop? So the changes haven't come through in here yet. How do we refresh? Here's the refresh button. Well, it didn't work. What? Let's go on the develop branch. Then it should figure it out. I think it's kind of stuck. Clicking this button maybe? Oh, there you go. Okay. Now it's figured out it's behind. Pull that. Check master. Okay, master is up to date. So switch to master and merge in develop. Why is it so slow? Oh my god. So this will automatically build everything. Did we make server-side changes? I don't know. Well, it'll build the server as well. It'll deploy the server automatically. And then it'll deploy the website. It'll take like 5 minutes. So let's see. We can watch it live. We go to the master branch. We check the latest commit. So it's pending right now. So it's doing all the automatic building process here. So it's building the server. It's doing tests for the server. It's checking documentation. It's building the website, which is called Studio. And then it'll do deployments of everything. We can come back to this in a few minutes. In the meantime, we can mark this bad boy as done. And next thing I really wanted, I should have looked at this ages ago, but I just couldn't be bothered. So in the Minecraft chat, we've had this annoying issue where the first character of each line is cut off when there's formatted text, and it pisses me off, and I have no idea why it's happening. So the first thing we have to do, start IntelliJ. And I don't actually know how to even reproduce the error exactly, so we have to do some experimentation. And also, it might already be fixed. I'm not sure. So I'll show you how this works. So which branch are we on? We're on the newest branch. Let's go to... may as well stay on here first. No, hold on. So we have to go back to version 1.34. 1.33. Yeah. So this is the latest version where I know the issue happened. So first I want to figure out how can we reproduce it. Once we figure that out, we go to the newest version, and if it doesn't happen anymore, it's already fixed. It's that simple. What is it doing here? Okay, it's still doing background tasks. So this will connect to our local server here. So that's running. Just start it in debug mode, I guess. See what happens. It's still indexing or something. It's downloading packages. Okay. We'll be patient. So how is this going? So it did all the building. It's doing database migrations, of which there are actually none, but it doesn't know that. So it's trying anyway. And then it'll do server deployment and then website deployment. That's it. So is this progressing? Started Minecraft. Okay. Oh, why? Why is the status in the middle? Interesting. Let's just go to single player. So this is just for testing now. So what we need... Hold on, let's change our chat width. Ah, look! Where? Whoa, okay. Well, we can reproduce it very easily. I have no idea why this turned yellow and this blue. And it's cutting off letters. Okay. Now we can go to the latest branch. Well, it was awfully easy. So 97 pixel width. Remember that. Let's just go to master. Okay. We'll try again. So this might be done now. So it's deploying to Azure right now. Okay, this once took like all night. I was so annoyed. So it usually just takes 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, take your time, buddy. Yeah. That's all right. Yeah, we are waiting. We got all day long. Okay, hold on. Single player. Nice single player world. Oh, it's fixed. Look at this. It's fixed. I mean, we don't need any more proof. There you go. Good. So let's play around with it just to be sure. Yeah, it's not changing the format. So I think... What the hell just happened to the music? So there's something called the font engine. They recently made a change to the font engine where I found a bug. I wasn't sure, is this the same bug we've experienced recently or not? So what actually went wrong? So, is it this? By default, it was always resetting the color. Resetting the format. For some reason. I don't really remember. Huh. I don't think this was the bug I was thinking of. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, this one here. So I fixed an infinite loop in the font engine, and I referenced here. It might also be the cause of chat 815. which is this very ticket here that we are looking at. That was it. Okay, I have no idea what this is. I'll just trust my past self. Alright. So we'll link the commit. We'll just say fixed by this. Boop. Done. Alright. Is this done now? It's still deployed. Oh, this is so dumb, dude. I'm so sick of it. We once had an issue. So I used to only use Azure for everything. Server and database hosting. Once we had an issue where the database was so slow that basically the whole app was completely broken. So I pulled out my database subscription and put it somewhere else. And that's working beautifully now. And now we have issues with deployment. I mean, what am I going to do? I'll take my deployment elsewhere. Screw these people. I mean, I'm literally paying a little bit of money every month. No, I was wondering if they can give me support when we had the database issues. No, you have to pay extra to get support. I was pissed. So yeah, it might be time to say goodbye to these Microsoft people. Screw them. Same people that gave us Windows. There you go. So what's next? What are we doing? Let's close some tabs here. We'll do this another day. Oh, we could do this one. So I'll demonstrate what the problem is here. Okay, hold on, let me close this. So we have the stats table here, right? And so all the stats are working just fine. They're correct. If I click today's stats, which is a new feature that I just pushed without testing it, and this is what happens, I guess. So it'll say we've live streamed today a little, but even this number is wrong. Hold on, 0.05, 0.5 days, 2 minutes. Oh, it's too many. Oh no, that's right. So just over an hour, 0.05 days. So that's correct. But for some reason, this total number here is 0 when it shouldn't be 0. So you can see on the lifetime stats, it's correctly not 0, but on today's stats, it's incorrectly 0. So we have to figure out what's going on there. This might be a fun one. So now we get to do server changes. So what we did before was pretty much all front end. So we don't need any of this. So this will be in the stats controller. Which endpoint are we actually calling to get the stats? Let's find out. Could be like ChatMate controller. Oh yeah, I saw it. /stats. Here. So we have a since parameter, which we just set to 24 hours ago. And then we get all the stats here. This is a big no-no. Alright, let's set a breakpoint. See what we can find. Oh. Refresh. Okay. F10. So total days live streamed is given by this function here. Just so we know. Oh wait, this is actually, this doesn't use, the total days live stream doesn't use the YouTube total days and Twitch total days live streamed. It's calculated independently using aggregate live streams, which are empty. There's the problem. So there's a bug. So an aggregate live stream, how does it work? Do we have documentation anywhere? I'm sure somewhere. So the way you would think about it is you can have multiple live streams. You can have a live stream on YouTube and on Twitch, and they can be happening simultaneously. But what happens if the YouTube live stream ends and the Twitch live stream keeps going? Well, in ChatMate, we have what is known as an aggregate live stream, which is a which is a live stream object that actually consists of any number of YouTube or Twitch live streams that overlap in some way. That's basically how it works. So it's the overlap. That's the key part. So if they don't overlap, they are considered separate aggregate live streams. So that's why... Come on. Oh wait, it's still paused. Hold on. Let me play. Here. Just wanted to show you. That's why this number here is actually greater than this number or this number. It's because there's always some overlap between the YouTube and Twitch live stream. They don't start and end at exactly the same time. So I think usually the Twitch stream starts sooner and ends sooner, and then the YouTube one starts later and ends later. And so there's actually a little bit, the aggregate live stream is a little bit longer than the individual live streams. That's how it works in practice. So we have to dig through this logic, which should be too bad here, to be honest. Have to dig through the logic and then find out where did we go wrong with this implementation. So we'll go back to today's stats. Oh, my breakpoint didn't hit. Huh? Is it not calling this function? Refresh. Oh, it's not calling this function. What? No, no way. You're lying. What? Oh, because the streamer's array is empty, is it? Oh my god, okay. Why is the streamer's array empty? Ah, because it's only getting streamers since the given date. Okay, well this is going to be an easy fix then. So we have to do another one. All streamers. Is this optional? Since 0. Since the beginning of time, get me all streamers, basically. Then we'll do a little shortcut. If since is 0, then the subset of streamers is just all streamers. Otherwise, then we have to do another database request. That's what this is. So in reality, if we pass in all streamers here, if we map over all streamers instead of the filtered streamers, that should fix our problem. So let's rebuild and then find out. Oh, and also speaking of building, where is my GitHub link? Oh, it's green. Okay. So everything has completed successfully. And so now, if we go to the website, if all goes well, our new changes will be displayed on here. So I don't know why it's loading for so long. Maybe the server has to warm up first. So it just got restarted as part of the deployment. Hello? What? Blocked by course? No. Okay, fixed itself magically. That's so weird. There should be no course blocking. We don't do that here. Yeah, it just has to warm up. Second request will be much faster. So if we refresh now, it should load almost instantly. Oh, look, it says connected to the WebSocket. Okay, it's not connecting almost instantly, or loading almost instantly. I don't know why. But either way, if we go to streamer info, oh, it's loading the chat. Slowly it's loading. Is my network capped? Why is it so slow? Hey, the chat is here, but it's only 4 characters. 4 lines. It's not how it was when I tested it. Oh, no. It makes sense why it's only 4 lines. Because it's only getting the chat items in the last hour. That's why. So that's why we had some people chatting before. So the list was longer. No, working as intended. Okay, so it's live. Everything working. Yeah, so we're testing this now. Refresh. So this breakpoint is magically hit now. And indeed, we got the total number of days live streamed today, which is 0.056. And this number must be exactly the same as this number because we haven't streamed on Twitch. That's why. Fixed. 829. Straight to master. Fixed stats. Daily stats. Displaying incorrect number of days live streamed. That's descriptive enough. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. Commit. And then there was, similarly, there was another one on the stats page. This one here. So what it's saying, how can we simulate this? So the problem was, what was the problem exactly? Number of YouTube or Twitch streamers is 0. Is this the daily stats? I'm a bit confused. Yeah, I don't know why it's so slow suddenly. It's never been this slow. Time to get away from Azure, I think. Okay, let's check these stats. So number of streamers here should be 3, I think. Oh, okay, so this is saying 0, 0. Indeed, but on my end it's working. That's no fun. So I think we have to... Why would that be? Perhaps the only way we can debug this... Oh, the screen is flickering, dude. God damn. Hold on. I am live streaming using OBS. And my screen is flicking. Top when sharing my screen. I'm on Linux Mint. Please help me. Nah, I'm not updating drivers, mate. Last time I updated my graphics driver, my computer wouldn't even boot up. Yeah, I mean, we played around with the display settings. So resolution. Let me check my OBS settings. Where does it have the refresh rate? Oh, it's 60. Okay, so I assumed when this lines up, then we won't have problems. Okay, so it's not that. We already have display capture. Use the capture cursor option to see if it makes a difference. Well, I need to capture my cursor. Disable hardware acceleration. I have no idea how to do that. But this happens on any application. It's not only browsers. Like I can, even in the code, I think it happens. Pretty sure. Like none of these make sense, dude. Check resource usage. So everything is high. Oh, it's X server, right? Not server X. Hey, he's thinking. He's not sure what to say. He's a bit flustered. Okay. He's actually speechless. Oh, mate. Okay, stop. Can we ask again? It's literally speechless, dude. Hello. Oh my god. What an idiot. Disable compositor. Okay. I'm not using it. Tried this. Xorg. I think this is the same one we edited before. etc x11 xorg. Conf-d. Oh, no. Hold on. What other config files are in this folder? Okay, so it's this one here that he's referencing. Triple buffer. Jesus, we're even skipping the double buffer. We're going straight to the triple. Oh, vsync. Oh, it could be a vsync thing. Yeah. Okay, let's try this one first. Triple buffer. Oh, it's empty. Triple buffer. Yeah, let's enable the goddamn triple buffer. Yeah. What other files are in here? Just this one, okay. So we just created the folder. Oh, no, it was an empty folder. Huh. Okay. Do we have to restart anything? So where can I see the triple buffer on here? Does it even show up? Or is it a hidden setting somewhere? Not sure how it works. Sync to vblank. Oh yeah, we looked at this before. Alright. See if it's disappeared. Where were we? Oh yeah, that's right. So in the production environment, it's not working. In the testing environment, it is working. So the only thing we can realistically do is update our local environment. And we need to debug the code on the server. So run the local server, but connect to the production database, which I think... Oh, what just happened? Hey! Jesus, hold on, we have to fix... Forgot Minecraft is still running. Have to fix the chat window here. Hello! Okay, box. Yeah, welcome to the live stream. This is your first time you've joined us while I was live streaming and had the local server running, basically. That's why it's welcoming you. It hasn't seen you. Yeah, so there's a lot of sensitive information in this .env file here. So I have to black out my screen for a second here. Just give me 1 second. Can we show something more fun? No, I guess not. So lots of secrets in this file. Let's just bear with me here. So the database URL is pointing to the local database right now, which is what we expect. So if I go to the production env, where is it? Yeah, I should be able to just copy that string. It's just the connection string. And put it into the local env. And theoretically that should work, but probably we'll get lots of issues. Okay. We'll have to restart the server. I think it'll crash because it's expecting certain values in the database. Like it's expecting the database is slightly different for the local versus released production server. Why is this not restarting, mate? What's wrong with you? Okay. Okay, also we need to get rid of this. It's just disgusting. So I think it'll say, no, what the hell are you doing? Oh. There's some errors here. So it was initializing. So it doesn't have. Oh, right. So there's a ChatMate YouTube and Twitch channel, which is what ChatMate uses to, for example, ban users on behalf of streamers, that kind of stuff. But the channels are different for the local and production environment, and so it's just saying here we can't find authentication for the channel, for the ChatMate channel, which means that yeah, we can run the server, but things won't work correctly. So that's fine. I'm just glad it didn't crash, honestly. Yeah, so it's causing a lot of issues here, but yeah, it's not, as long as it's not crashing. Lots of red. Fascinating. What are we doing? Refresh. See if we can get the... Yeah, okay, so we got all the stats from production in here now. That's working. And we can correctly reproduce the issue here. So this number is just 0, 0. So I should have the chat open. Hello, Killing. Killing is back. I'll put it on my other screen here. Oh my god, why is everything zoomed in? Jesus Christ. Zoom the hell out. Alright. We need to fix those zeros. No one likes a bunch of zeros. So we are still in the ChatMate controller, chat endpoint. Set a breakpoint here. Okay. So we got 3 streamers. Yeah, that's correct. And then YouTube streamers. How is this calculated? All right, so every streamer has a primary YouTube or primary Twitch channel attached to it. That's what these primary channels are. And so we are just getting the primary channels for each of our streamers here. That's all we are doing. So let's skip to after this. And I'm guessing this returns nothing. Oh no, this returns 3 items, as expected. So first streamer has a Twitch channel and YouTube channel, which is, this is probably me. This is my streamer. Why is this number negative? I do not know. This streamer has neither Twitch or YouTube, and this one also, because these are just test accounts, I think. So that's fine, but we should still see 1, 1. So 3 streamers, 1 YouTube streamer, 1 Twitch streamer. But we're seeing 0, 0 for some reason. So if we run this... Oh, it's not happy. Oh. Missing... bracket? No, literally, I just copied this, mate. There's no missing bracket here. There's a missing brain cell in your head. This is correct syntax. What? You're full of crap? What the heck? I don't understand. So let's check the logic then. Okay, for each primary channel, we get only the primary channels which have a YouTube channel since the given date. Aha, so it's the since that's wrong, yeah. So we noted earlier, the first primary channels, they have a since value of negative something, which is very weird. So I wonder where this comes from. So this is a recent addition as well. Oh, the zombie just died. So let's set a breakpoint in here. Okay, continue. Is this streamer 1? Yes. So it should have a YouTube link. Should have a YouTube channel. Yes, it does. The YouTube link. When was it added? Let's check it out. Ah, it's not set. Interesting. So it's a data issue then. So why isn't it set? So when did we make this update? 20 months ago. Alright. But I think this time added... Hold on, this is where we go real deep now. Let's look at the database schema. So YouTube link... Where do they come from? Streamer YouTube channel link. This is just connecting streamer records. You can see it here. Streamer records with YouTube channel records. So this has a time added flag. I suspect we just never initialized this value. Hold on, we can see if there was a migration. So how can we do this? So there must have been a database migration. I'm guessing I never actually initialized this value. This one here. Oh wait, this is a squashed migration. It's a story for another day, I think. This is where it was originally added. Oh, hold on. Oh, no, different one. This is the one. So we did a data migration here. So we added the column. We allowed it to be null. And then... Oh, we actually initialized it to the 0 date. Okay. That's alright. In that case. Yeah, because get time, of course, will be negative if we are just initializing it to an arbitrary low value. So how do we deal with this? I think if we just clamp it to... No, it's going to cause lots of problems. I was going to say, if we clamp it to a positive value, it should fix it. In this case, it'll fix it. But it wouldn't fix it for all cases necessarily. Let's get the date object here. I think that's this one. Why is it undefined? Okay, hold on. Stop the server. Yeah, so this is a date object. So if that date object is less than 1st of January 1970, we'll just set it to that. So in fact, we'll have a little constant here. Or maybe we don't need a constant. Possibly null. Oh, right. If it's not null and it's earlier than that, we set it to this date. We'll do the same with the Twitch channel. Let. Now we get the timestamp. Or null. Alright. What are we doing? Why is this one different? Oh, because we're still getting the time here. Okay. I don't like the lines are too long, so let's split this up. Okay. Seems reasonable. Yeah, yeah. I wish we did the migration differently back then, but I guess we didn't. Or, you know, we could just fix up the data in the production database, because there's only 3 entries anyway. I think I prefer this. Okay, let's wait for this to rebuild, and then we'll test it. But I see no problems with this. Oh, misclicked. So who's walking around, mate? It's just a goddamn creeper. What? Why is there so many creepers in this waterhole? Alright. Start now. I think I'm pretty confident this will work. Alright, 1-1. There you go. Working as expected. Yeah, so it was just a bad data instance. That's easy enough. So we'll push that straight to production as well to fix that. 8:30. So fixed primary channels not showing on the stats. There you go. Okay, so we got 2 fixes now. Push, and they'll build and deploy automatically. So we can mark this as done. Well, today's been, I was gonna say it's been productive, but the first hour was completely wasted. So this is the, I think we'll leave this for next time, but this is one I want to do. So, custom emojis, just like those. These are the emojis I allow on my live streams, right? So I can just create a new emoji, I fill out the form, I upload an image, and people can use it in the live streams. But why not let other people create them? Why not? So that's what this is for. So we need to make server changes, and we need to make website changes. I think that's for next time. It should be fairly easy, I think. So yeah, we can reuse most of the existing code, I think. So let's just double check. This is building. Looks like it is. Okay, cool. Should we leave it there? What about this? Yeah, this could be a bit tough. Might leave this for another day as well. It's not something we can do in 5 minutes. I think we're done here. It's been 2 hours. It's reasonable. Yeah, last time we did the stream on the weekend, we had way more viewers. Nowadays, during the week, I guess everyone is literally sleeping. That's why. So I think I hope you enjoyed this little coding live stream. We'll be back. Oh, don't close OBS just yet. We'll be back with more, maybe next week, maybe Sunday, maybe not. I have no schedule, and goddamn, the screen is flickering. Okay, hold on. Let's ask it for help. How do I enable vsync on NVIDIA? I think it's already enabled, I'll be honest. So look for the OpenGL settings on the left. I don't see them. Sync to vblank. Oh no, I remember this setting. Here. Oh, I'm just blind. The settings are right here. Yeah, sync to vblank is already checked. Restart OBS. I'm not gonna restart OBS during the stream, you idiot. Okay. How do I enable vsync on OBS? Step 1, launch OBS. Oh, click on the settings button in the lower right corner. Wait, what? Which one? Wait, is the problem... Wait, do you notice on the lower right corner, it's saying the FPS, it's not reaching the required 60 FPS? So it's the CPU, the bottleneck. Is that why it's flickering? Yeah, I still can't work out the... It's using software rendering, or encoding, I think it's called. So I can't work out how to change it. So where's that option? Here, yeah. So video encoder is software, and there's no other option to change it. And I've tried hours and hours of fixing it, and nothing seems to work. I don't know what the issue is. Yes, I have tried upgrading my NVIDIA driver, and I couldn't boot my system after. It's just laughable, dude. So sick of it. Switching back. I didn't even see you say you're black. Alright. Yeah. We'll see. Maybe I... It's not wheelchair, dude. Maybe I can sort it out until next time, but probably not. So I know the flickering screen is really annoying. And sometimes it's gone. Like right now, it's not happening. I don't know why. It just seems to be whenever I'm not noticing, whenever I'm not checking OBS, it's probably flickering. Oh no, it just flickered. Okay. Or might have just been the button hover here. Hover effect. Killing, you're pregnant. Oh, alright. It's a boy or a girl. Congratulations. We are so proud of you. Yeah. So this used to work just fine on Linux. So I was doing the hardware encoding on the NVIDIA graphics card. It was fine. So it's Isamazi, okay. Jesus. You'll get pretty big then, before birth. So watch out. You'll be slow. Are we playing one quick round of one block? Is anyone on? We can do a 1v1 killing. Should we do? It's de-stress. See if anyone is on. So I hate this launcher. Like I never understand. Why do we need a launcher to start a game? Just start the game. It's goddamn. It's just annoying. It's just so much waiting. Play with yourself. Live on stream. I don't know if that's appropriate, mate. Maybe not on this stream. Maybe put it in a different stream. Migrate to a different website, I guess. So I wonder if anyone's actually on Nicoliplex right now. Then why is this loading so long? Okay, yes there is. Hello, Ryan. Yeah, join one block. We'll just do one quick one. In windowed mode, eh? Unless you were AFK. Oh, hold on. We have to enable this. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, what is that skin, mate? Hold on. See, nothing is loading. Something went wrong. 502. No way, mate. I'm so sick with Microsoft. That's a transient error, like bad gateway. Yeah, screw those people. I'm just sick of it. You accidentally deleted Windows while you were switching Linux distros. Well, it's not a bad thing. So what's wrong with that? Yeah, the chat mod is literally broken right now. Because of Microsoft messing around. Are you serious? Well, we won. GG. So are we heading off? Okay. He's one of them. It's just laughable, mate. Dude, just fall. It's because he's holding the feather. That's why he's not falling. Okay. It's a new feature on Mineplex. Let me put the chat on the side. Okay, we'll do one more. Can you actually try? So I hate picking on people that can't defend themselves. It's not fair. So my new best... Oh, we can farm stats. Oh, maybe we should. Yeah. Do we have stats for this? What, fishing. Fishing stats. Oh, wait, I got 32 wins? That's not right. We haven't played that many. It's a casual game, maybe. Arcade? Oh, here. 17 wins, 75 losses. That's amazing. Yeah, let's farm some wins. Let's go. I'll brag about my stats on the next live stream. That will do. I shall consume German humans until you bend over. What the hell does that mean? He was too scared. Yeah, he knew he had no chance. Alright, I think we're heading off here. Oh, wait. Look, it's working now. Microsoft has fixed their crap. Code 502. Like, it's nothing I can do about code 502. It used to happen all the time. Yeah, now everything is working. Alright. Yeah, let's head off here. It's been 2 hours of hardcore concentration. It was fun. So I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Until then, stay rebel. Where's my window? Stay rebel and goodbye.